Welcome. Having trouble accessing your Gmail on your PC after the latest update? Don't worry, it's a common issue, and we're here to guide you through some simple steps to get you back online in no time. First, let's try the simplest solution. Close your browser completely and then reopen it. This can often resolve minor glitches that might be preventing you from logging in. If that doesn't work, double-check that you're entering your username and password correctly. It sounds obvious, but it's easy to make a mistake when you're in a hurry. Next, try refreshing the Gmail web page. Look for the refresh icon, usually located at the top left of your browser, and give it a click. This forces the page to reload and can clear up temporary loading issues. Now let's check your internet connection. Go to the notifications area on your computer, usually found in the lower right corner of your screen. Click on the network icon to see your current connection status. Make sure you're connected to the correct network and that your internet is working properly. If the problem persists, sometimes restarting your entire device can do the trick. Press the Windows icon, click on the power icon, and then select Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds, and then turn your computer back on by pressing the power button. Still no luck? It's time to clear your browser's cache and cookies. In your browser, click on the 3 dots at the top right corner. From there, find and click on Delete Browsing Data. In the new tab that opens, make sure all options are checked and the time range is set to All Time. Finally, click on Delete Data. This will remove any stored data that might be interfering with your login. If you're still locked out of your Gmail account, try signing in using a different browser or device. If you can log in this way, the issue probably lies with your original browser, in which case you can try updating or resetting it. As a last resort, some users have found that temporarily turning off their antivirus software allows them to access their Gmail account. It is also worth checking if any browser extensions are interfering with Gmail. If you use a VPN, try disabling it temporarily. Additionally, you can try switching to Google DNS. To do this, press Windows +S, type Network, and click on View Network Connections. Then, right-click the network connection on the control panel window and select Properties. After that, double-click Internet Protocol version 4 and choose Use the following DNS server addresses. Now, enter 8.8.8.8 in the preferred DNS server box and 8.8.4.4 in the alternative DNS server box and save the changes. If none of these steps work, it may be time to contact Google Support for further assistance 3. But hopefully, one of these solutions will get you back into your Gmail account quickly and easily.